Thank you for your interest in NTX Garage Doors. We are a full-service garage door repair company serving Dallas and the surrounding metropolitan areas. We have been in business since 2002 and proudly serve both commercial and residential clients. Our services include garage door repair, spring repair, and everything in between. We also do scheduled maintenance for garage doors as well. If you need a complete new garage door install, we carry a wide array of garage doors perfect for your home. Give us a call for a free estimate at 972-798-2346.